In a Carnot engine, the temperature of the sink is increased. What will happen to its efficiency? We know efficiency of Carnot engine eta equals 1 minus temperature of sink divided by temperature of source. So we have this. Okay. So this expression gives the efficiency of Carnot engine, and we always know that, okay, temperature of sink is less than temperature of source. So sink has less temperature in comparison to source. Now let us simplify this expression. Okay, so we can write efficiency eta equals temperature of source minus temperature of sink divided by temperature of source. So we have this. Okay, so let us call it equation 1. Now, okay, from question, if the temperature of sink is increased, okay, so I'm writing from question, if temperature of sink is increased, okay, then the difference, okay, then the difference T source minus T sink, okay, this difference, okay, this difference decreases, okay, it decreases, difference decreases, okay. So if this decreases, so it decreases, why? If T sink increases, so if the difference decreases, then from equation 1, okay, then from equation 1, efficiency eta, okay, of the Carnot engine decreases. So we have this, okay. So we can conclude in this way, okay. If temperature of sink increases, then efficiency eta, okay, decreases. So we have this result, okay.